Niger Delta youth they don resume they don say they want to resume their operation they want to resume their operation for oil facility wey dey for Niger Delta. My people, the annoyance be say for Zamfara one part of the north wey dem dey call Zamfara wey get gold, say federal government go buy their gold buy am with billions of naira. When dem go come south here, come Niger Delta, dem go drill the oil, dem go share the money for the whole 36 states, for the whole federation. But when e reach Zamfara state wey get gold, instead of the federal government go exploit the gold, instead of dem go exploit the gold, then come share the money just as dem dey do for oil own. Dem no do like that, rather dem buy am from the community. So the thing come dey vex the Ijaw youth. Dem say now, say dem want to resume their operation. Una know say their operation dey very deadly. Apart from that one, this protest wey dey go on between the youth of Nigeria, when be say dem say make dem end SARS. So the youth, the Niger Delta youth, dem don come out to the Niger Delta Avengers, na dem dey call dem. Dem don come out say dem support the Nigerian youth wey dey protest. Say the wealth for this nation is not evenly distributed. Say the difference between the poor man and the rich man is too much for this Nigeria. Na only some group of people na dem dey enjoy this money. Say and dem want make dem end this SARS. Say because SARS dey intimidate people, SARS dey kpai people anyhow. Say so if the federal government no do wetin dem talk, say all the oil facility wey e dey for Niger Delta, both the one wey e dey for Warri South o, for Chevron, for Escravo, say dem go burst all. Say the one wey dey give light to Abuja, Aso Rock, everything, say dem go disconnect and dem go destroy everything. No be small threatening o when these people dey threaten. And I know say these people operation na really deadly one, because e go grind all the economy. Apart from say people go see wetin dem dey call real pepper of hardship, e go make people sef, a lot of people fit kpai for this matter. Because wetin me I dey beg all these Niger Delta boys be say, make una channel this thing to Aso Rock. Na nowhere be Aso Rock. When una carry all those una big equipment go bomb there, na una go come dey disturb with the masses. Because if this whole thing start, na we the masses go suffer am. All these big men, they go fly, they go go abroad, go tanda for there. We go come dey here dey sukpa. Abeg, na beg we dey beg. Because the ones wey be say dem even do this few days for Lekki toll gate, wey be say Woodlump come use the opportunity to collect people things, destroy people things. See this actress Uche Elendu install na everything. So this whole thing na we the masses, na this whole thing go affect. Na beg we dey beg. So this threatening wey dem dey threaten no be small. Dem talk a lot of demand, a lot of things wey be say dem say make federal government do to them. Even this guiding of all this pipeline to the host community, say make dem resume that payment. You know say dem dey pay some group of boys dem, make dem dey guide the pipeline, so that people no go come burst and say, and dem dey make money from that thing. Say make dem pay dem. Say in fact all this thing wey be say dey happen for this country, we no know ourselves. If we know ourselves, e don tey wey we for comot for this suffer. But wetin me I dey beg be say, wetin we dey talk now be say, this whole thing now, we just dey finish koro. People never even recover. People still dey for, like all these teachers, dem dey for house for how many months, no salary, dem dey manage. Na only God. In fact, some family dey see hell, dem dey see pepper. Now dem don manage resume school. This whole protest come scatter the whole thing now una wan come with Niger Delta own, the ogbongelicious Niger Delta matter. Na im come worse. But that one be say if e start, nobody go. In fact, wetin I go let una know say, since when this whole protest, since on the 20th wey dem do that toll gate matter, come reach now, I never step outside. As I dey here now, I don dey run out of food stuff, because of say for this Port Harcourt here na so dem dey kpai people anyhow. Person no fit just go outside. Fear no let person go outside. All these Hausa boys dey enter road. So the whole thing, I don't know whether na cause for person to become a Nigerian. I don't know. We no fit come outside. Niger Delta wan come do their own, and be say na kpai una wan kpai everybody now. Everybody go just kpai because we dey cry say money no dey. A lot of company don shut down since this corona matter. Many company don shut down. Una wan come carry this one come again. So make federal government answer these people. Abeg, make federal government answer these people because they no dey smile. And the thing wey this federal government dey do, I no understand. Some Nigerians are more Nigerian than some Nigerians. Na wetin I dey see be that. As Zamfara people wey be say e get gold reach, they na go their backyard go pay them billions of naira before federal government fit touch their gold. Una go call Niger Delta now, una go pollute the whole environment, in everywhere smoke, everywhere soot, carbon monoxide, everywhere acid rain, acid rain everywhere. Una go pollute the whole environment. People no dey fit catch fish for water. All the fish now wey we dey chop na crude oil fish. Both the periwinkle na crude oil periwinkle. Now we dey chop. Una no fit clean up the environment. Una no fit do anything. Una go pay Zamfara people money. Now enjoy you to the don vex. They say make everybody stock their house. Make everybody stock their house. Who get food, who no get food stuff, may go market go buy their food stuff. Say because they won't start. And una know say if they start this busting of pipeline, if they start and may no say the kind hardship where this thing go bring. Niger Delta, I don't know why they do like this, because often I boss this whole thing. Now the environment now go see spoil, now I go see suffer everything. All this northern and Swabi say they chop una money, their environment they clean. Then they breathe better air, they breathe fresh air. Better rain and they fall for their place. Acid rain no they fall. That is why our cars for this Niger Delta, we they spray car almost every year, because acid rain when they fall, they make the car they rust. So I no see reason why be say they go they treat the Niger Delta to be second-hand citizen, and now then get this the weight of the whole nation. The weight where be say they feed the whole nation. Where be say the money where be say they use to develop the whole north everywhere, both Abuja. Then these same people una no go clean up their environment. See the kind place where then they live. Which kind country be this one? Which kind country be this? Now which people put us for this kind thing? Now who do us this thing? So my people, now the thing will be say they ground, now the latest when it dey ground. When I see this news since, I say I go bring and come. Because the thing now don't they pass, be careful. If this Delta boys, if all these Niger Delta boys enter road now, it go corrigide for us, so it go really corrigide. People will be beside that abroad, at least if na nanny nana they do for that abroad, at least we go get rest of mind. This one what we dey now, we no get rest of mind. Man wey be say go dey do taxi driver, as he come out yesterday, nine dead body, 9 they carry come back. Wetin happen? They say all those Hausa boys say because of say they buy one malam. Now there now the whole malam or mobilize, carry dagger, come the dagger people where they see. Now so they take buy the taxi driver where be say they go for in daily bread. So person no even know where to chook leg again for this Nigeria. Make una pray for us. Una wanna die abroad. Make una pray for us, because me where beside even they do this video, I never feel come outside. I no fit come outside since almost 3 days now. I never feel come outside, because now so we go dey hear gunshot from house. Now we go dey hear gunshot. People they call us for phone, say so area. Make una no come out to. Then they this area. Then they this area. They never even start the war now. The place be like this. What if this Niger Delta boys enter road now? How it go come be? I beg. Now beg I dey beg. Go make Buhari make he answer these people. This SARS matter, make them end down. If they know wetin these people they demand, make them give them, make peace day. Because if this whole wahala start now, the poor masses now then go suffer am. Many youth now they no get work. Many people they complain say they no get work. Now one can start this whole thing. My people, make una dey pray for Nigeria, and so we see am. Now the thing what we dey see for this country be this, my people. Now here I won't stop. If you never subscribe to this channel, I beg, make you hit the subscribe button. Bye.